Hello everyone. Today I am going to present the topic first order logic, also called as FQL, under the subject Foundations of Artificial Intelligence. First order logic is an important concept in AI because it helps machines represent knowledge and perform logical reasoning. Introduction of first order logic. First order logic is a formal language used in artificial intelligence. It helps represent object properties and relationship between two objects. FQL is more powerful than propositional logic because it can describe real-world situation in a structured way. Using FQL, a system can automatically draw a conclusion and make decisions. For example, human RAM means RAM is a human. Components of first order logic. First order logic contains four main components. First is constant. Constant represents specific object like RAM or India. Second is variable. Variables are symbols like x and y that represent general objects. Third is predicate. Predicates describe properties or relationships. For example, student of x means x is a student. Fourth is functions. Functions map one object to another object. For example, father of Ram. Logical connectivities. Logical connectivities are symbols used to combine logical statements. And symbol means both conditions must be true. Or symbol means at least one condition must be true. Not symbol negates a statement. Implies means if one condition is true, then another condition follows. Biconditional means both statements depend on each other. Example: student X and intelligent X means X is a student and also intelligent. Quantifiers in SQL. Quantifiers specify how many objects satisfies a condition. There are two types of quantifiers. First is the universal quantifier represented by for all. Example: all humans are mortal. Second is the existential quantifier represented by the exists. There exists at least one student. Quantifier make first order logic more expressive and useful. Knowledge representation in FQL. One important use of first order logic is a knowledge representation. Natural language sentences can be converted into logical expressions. For example, all students like AI. Example 2: some birds can fly. This helps AI system understand and process information logically. Advantages of FQL. First order logic has many advantages. It provides rich knowledge representation, it supports logical reasoning and automated inference. It removes ambiguous from natural language. It is also expressive and scalable for large AI systems. Real world applications. First order logic is used in many real world applications. In expert system, it helps in decision making. In robotics, it helps robots understand environments and planning actions. In natural language processing, it helps computers understand human language. In automated reasoning, it is used in theorem proving and logical verification. Key takeaways. To conclude, first order logic is one of the foundations of artificial intelligence. It helps represent objects, relationships, and knowledge in a logical way. Understanding FQL is important for learning advanced AI concepts. Thank you. Thank you for everyone for listening to my presentation. I hope this presentation helped you understand the basic of first order logic. Any questions or discussions are welcome.